Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Gurudaga online classes. Dear student, in last class, I solved exercise 3.1 some problems. Now, I am going to take next remaining problems in the exercise 3.1. Let us see here. Given here, question number 6. Find the angles measures x in the following figures. Here, given here, in this figure, three angles already given. First one is 90 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree. We have to find out here what is the x value. Now, let us see the solution here. Using angles some property of a quadrilateral okay. Now here in this figure given here 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 70 degree plus x we have to find out here. Total the angles of a quadrilaterals, that is total sum of angles of a quadrilateral, that is 360 degree. Now when you adding here, you will getting here 90 plus 60. When you adding 150 plus 70. When you adding, you will getting here 220 degree. 220 degree plus x is equal 360 degree. Now when you transposing from LHS to RHS, that is becoming as a negative. Now we can write here x is equal 360 degree minus 220 degree. When you doing the subtraction, we will getting here 140 degree. X value is 140 degree. This is the solution. Okay, dear student. Next, I am taking here the next figure. Dear student, here we have to find out here x value. Here total sides we have sides. We have to find out here x value. Now let us see solution here. Solution. Dear student, now I am taking here first base interior angle. Here given here 70 degree. I am finding here interior angle. Now here first base interior angle. Here given here exterior angle, that is the 70 degree. We have to find out here interior angle. 180 degree minus 70 degree. When you doing the subtraction, you will getting here 110 degree. This is the interior angle. Now second base angle we have to find out here. Now second base interior angle, here given here exterior angle, that is the 60 degree. We have to find out here interior angle. Now 180 degree minus exterior angle, that is 60 degree. When you are doing the subtraction, you will getting here 120 degree. This is the interior angle. Okay, next point. See, you observe this figure. Here total sides is given here 5 sides. There are 5 sides given. Sides n is equal to 5 according to angle sum property of a polygon. So angle sum of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. N value given here 5 minus 2. When you do the subtraction, you will getting here 3 into 180 degree. When you multiplying here 18 into 3 is you will getting here 540 degree. Okay. Therefore, the angle sum of a polygons is 540 degree. Now next point. Now you can write here, therefore, see angle given here 30 degree plus x plus 110 degree plus 120 degree plus x is equal to 540 degree. These angles given in this figure. These are the interior angles. Now we have to find out your x value. Now you adding here 110 plus 120, you will getting here 230 plus 30, you will getting here 260 degree plus 2x is equal to 540 degree. Next, when you transposing from LHS to RHS, that is becoming 2x is equal to 540 degree minus 260 degree. When you doing the subtraction, here you will getting here 2x is equal to 280. When you doing the subtraction, these two you will getting here 280. See here I am dividing by 2 both side, LHS side, RHS side. 2 get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, here 0. X value is 140 degree. X value is 140 degree. This is the solution. Okay, dear student, next I am taking here last figure in this main. Dear student, you observe this picture here. Here in this figure, given here total 5 sides, and here we have to find out here x value. Let us see solution here. According to angle sum of polygon, that is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now 5, that is the angles sides given here, total sides is 5. Now 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. When we doing the subtraction, you will getting 3 into 180 degree. When you multiply here, 18 into 3 is 540 degree. The angles are sum of a polygons, that is the 540 degree. Now we have to find out here each x value. Now in this angles given here x plus x plus x plus x plus x, total 5 angles we have. Now 540 degree, when you be adding, you will be getting here 5x is equal to 540 degree. When you dividing by 5 both side, 5 will cancel. 5 10s are 50, remaining 40. 5 8s are 40. X value is 180 degree. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, dear students, next I am taking here last main in exercise 3.1. Question number 7. First one, find x plus y plus z. Okay. Now, in this figure given here, one is the interior angle 90 degree, 30 degree, and we have to find out here x, y, z. Now, let us see solution here. Solution. See, we know the sum of linear pair of angle is 180 degree. Okay, the sum of linear pair of angles is 180 degree. See, this is the 90 degree, means this is also 90 degree. Now we can write here, since sum of linear pair angles is 180 degree. Now here given here 90 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. When you transposing, you will getting here 90 degree. Okay, this is the x value. Now second one. Now here given here z plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. When we shifting 30 from LHS to RHS, that is becoming minus 30 degree. Z value is 150 degree. Okay, this is the z value. Also I is equal to, now here this is the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle, that is the y. This is equal to opposite interior angle. According to that property, 30 plus 90 degree, when you are adding 1, you will getting 120 degree. This is the y value. Now exterior angle. Now when you adding x, y, z, when you adding x plus y plus z is equal 360 degree we have. When you adding x value is given here 90 degree plus y value is given here 120 degree plus z value is given here 150 degree. When you adding x, y, z, you will be getting here total 360 degree. This is the solution. So next I am taking here second figure. Find x plus y plus z plus w. In this figure given here, interior angles 60 degree, 80 degree, 120 degree and n. Okay, the exterior angle z, y, x, w. We have to find out here these all angles. Now let us see solution here. I will solve here step by step using angle sum property of a quadrilateral, property of a quadrilateral. Okay, now a degree plus 80 degree plus 120 degree plus n is equal to 360 degree. When we adding 60, 80 and 120, we will getting here total is 260 degree plus n is equal to 360 degree. When we transposing from LHS to RHS, that is becoming n is equal to 360 degree minus 260 degree. When you doing the subtraction, you will getting n value, that is the 100 degree. Okay, next, since sum of linear pair is 180 degree, therefore here n value is 100 degree. This is linear pair, so w plus n value is 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. This is I will give first number. Next, second one. Here 120 degree. This is also linear pair. Now we can write here x is equal to 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. This is the second one. Next, third one here. This is also linear pair. Y plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. This is I will give number 3. And next one, 60 degree and z. This is also linear pair. Now we can write z is equal to 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. This is 4. Now adding 1, 2, 3 and 4 equations. Let us see next step here. I am adding here equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these 4 I am adding here. Now x plus y plus z plus w plus here given here 100, 120, 80, 60. 100, 120 plus 80 plus 60 equal 180 degree plus 180 degree plus 180 degree plus 180 degree. See here 180 degree, 180 degree, 180 degree. See here 180 degree, 180 degree. These 4 I am adding here. Okay. Next, x plus y plus z plus w. When you add in these 4, you will get in here 360 degree is equal to, this is 720 degree. Okay. Now x plus y plus z plus w is equal. I am transposing here 360 degree from LHS to RHS. When you transposing, that is becoming as a minus 360 degree. Okay, when you doing the subtraction, you will getting here 360 degree. When you doing the subtraction, you will getting here 360 degree x plus y plus z plus w. This is the solution. Okay, dear student, in today's class I completed exercise 3.1. In tomorrow class, I will start some of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. Thank you.